Today, we delve into one of the most perplexing mysteries in American history, the Lost Colony of Roanoke. What happened to the brave settlers who vanished without a trace? Join us as we uncover the clues, explore the theories, and journey back to a time when hope and uncertainty intertwined in the New World. The meaning of the word Roanoke is derived from the Powhatan language, which was geographically close to the Roanoke. Roanoke means white beads made from shells, or more literally, things rubbed smooth by hand. It was named after the historical Roanoke, a Carolina Algonquian people who inhabited the area in the 16th century at the time of English colonization. About 8 miles, 13 kilometers, long and 2 miles, 3.2 kilometers wide, the island lies between the mainland and the barrier islands near Nag's Head. Albemarle Sound lies on its north, Roanoke Sound on the eastern, Croatan Sound on the west, and Wankesee CDP lies at the southern end. The town of Manteo is located on the northern portion of the island and is the county seat of Dare County. Fort Raleigh National Historic Site is on the north end of the island. The island has a land area of 17.95 square miles, 46.5 square kilometers, and a population of 6,724 as of the 2000 census. The colony was established on Roanoke Island, off the coast of present-day North Carolina. Led by Governor John White, these hopeful colonists arrived with dreams of prosperity and a promise of a permanent English presence in the New World. Upon arrival, the settlers faced immediate challenges: harsh conditions, limited resources, and uncertain relations with local Native American tribes. Despite these hardships, they worked tirelessly to build their new home. Now, in a desperate bid for survival, Governor White made a fateful decision. He would return to England for supplies. Leaving behind his family and friends, he promised to return quickly, unaware of the trials that lay ahead. 3 long years passed. When John White finally returned in 1590, he was met with silence. The settlement lay deserted, the homes abandoned. His heart raced as he searched for signs of life. Then he found it, a single word carved into a tree: Croatoan. It was the name of a nearby island and the local tribe. But what did it mean? Where had his people gone? Various theories began to emerge. Did the colonists integrate with the Croatan tribe? Perhaps they relocated to find better resources. Or did starvation and disease claim their lives? Some even speculate about violent conflicts or natural disasters. In the years that followed, archaeologists and historians have searched for answers. Recent discoveries of European artifacts among Native American sites hint at possible interactions, yet the true fate of the lost colony remains elusive. The mystery of Roanoke has inspired countless stories, books, and films, embedding itself in American folklore. It raises profound questions about colonialism and the complex relationships between Europeans and Native Americans. The Lost Colony of Roanoke still captivates our imagination, leaving us to wonder, what really happened to those who vanished? Join us as we continue to explore the mysteries of our past. Share your theories in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing stories.